Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x plus y. If we have 1 over x plus 1 over y is equals to 1 over 5, and we solve this problem for the values of x plus y. So here remember one thing is that our x and y are integers. Okay, so here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we need to multiplying both of the sides by x and y, so that when we multiply both of the sides by x and y, it will be written as after multiplying by x and y. So we multiply this value on each of these terms and it will becomes here xy multiplied by 1 over x plus xy is multiplied by 1 over y is equals to xy is multiplied by 1 over 5. And further in the next step, you see here this x and x are cancelled out by each other. So from here we get only y plus this y and y are cancelled out by each other, and here we get only x, and this whole equation is equals to xy multiplied by 1 over 5. So further in the next step, in order to remove the fraction from right hand side, we again multiplying both of the sides by 5. So when we multiply both of the sides by 5, it will be written as this will becomes here 5y plus 5x is equals to so this will becomes here 5 multiplied by xy is multiplied by 1 over 5. And now you see here this 5 and this 5 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here the remaining values are, from here we get 5y plus 5x is equals to this is xy only. And now here further in the next step we need to move the terms from left hand side to the right hand side. So both of these two terms are positive. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative, and when we move 5x to the right hand side, it will becomes here this is xy minus 5x, this is plus y is also becomes minus 5y, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further here we need to make the factors of this equation, and in order to make the factors we need to add some terms here. So now if you see here in the first two terms we have x be the common term. So when we take common x from here, we get the remaining values are y minus 5, and from here we get minus 5y is equals to 0. So this is the our one factor. But now here in order to find the factorization of a complete equation, we need to add both of the sides by 5 square. So when we add 5 square on both of the sides, it will be written as x into y minus 5 minus this is 5y, and here we add 5 square on both of the sides in this form. Okay, so further in the next step, here we need to take common 5 from both of these two terms, and it will becomes here x into y minus 5, and when we take common minus 5 from both of these two values, it will becomes here 5 times of y, because here we take common negative sign also, so that we get here this is y minus 5, and this whole equation is equals to 0 plus 5 square, and 5 square becomes here 25. And further in the next step, you see that both of these terms involve y minus 5, so that we take common y minus 5 from here, and we get the remaining values are x minus 5 is equals to 25. And now you see here in the left hand side we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So we need to make the factors of right hand side. So this is 25, so we need to find any pair of integers whose product becomes 25. So these integers are 1 multiplied by 25 is equals to 25, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 25 is also equals to 25, and 5 multiplied by 5 is equals to 25. So we have these are the three cases, or in other words we write it as -5 multiplied by -5 is also 25. So we have these are the four possibilities in which the product of two numbers becomes here 25. So here we divide our equation into these four cases. So here our case number one is so here I hope so this is 1 times of 5, and we already write it as 25 multiplied by 1, and we write this term as -25 multiplied by -1. So this will becomes here a total 6 cases of this equation. So here further in the next step we solve this problem for these 6 cases, and now here first we compare both of these two values into these cases, and it will becomes here this is y minus 5 equals to 25 and x minus 5 equals to 1. We compare both of these two values on both of these two numbers. Okay, now here in the next step, in order to find the value of x plus y, we just add these two equations. Okay, so when we sum up these two equations, it will becomes here x plus y, and this is -5 minus 5 becomes -10, and 25 plus 1 becomes here 26. So here we need to move this -10 to the right hand side, and it will becomes here 26 plus 10. And further in the next step, you see here 26 plus 10 becomes 36. So from this case we will get here our x plus y equals to 36. So this is the first answer of this equation, because 36 be the integer. Okay, so here we write here our second case, and in the second case we need to compare these two values. We compare these two factors with these two numbers. So here we just write our second case as y minus 5 is equals to 1 and x minus 5 is equals to 25. So here we again sum up these two values, and we get here this is x plus y. -5 minus 5 becomes -10, and this is also 26. So in the second case we also get x plus y is equals to 36, which we get here already in for second case. And now we move towards our third case. And in third case, here we compare our left hand side with these two numbers, in which we have y minus 5 equals to -1 and x minus 5 is equals to -25. So this is our third comparison of both of the sides, and now here we again sum up these two values, and you get here x plus y. The -5 plus 5 become -10, -1 -25 is -26. And when we move -10 to the right hand side, it will becomes -26 plus 10, and -26 plus 10 becomes here -16. So this is the second different value of x plus y. And here we move towards our fourth case, and in fourth case we compare our left hand side, that is y minus 5 with 5, and x minus 5 is also equals to 5. So here in this case we again sum up these two values, and we get here x plus y minus 10 equals to 5 plus 5 becomes here 10. So we get here x plus y equals -10. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes here plus 10. So you get here 10 plus 10. We have x plus y equals to 20. So this is the third different value of x plus y. And now we move towards our fifth case, and in fifth case, after comparing both of the sides, we will be right here y minus 5 is equals to -5 and x minus 5 is equals to -5. So this is the our fifth case. And in this case, when we add both of these values, we get here x plus y minus 10 equals to -10. So these are cancelled out by each other, and we get x plus y equals to 0. So this is the fifth different value of x plus y. And now here we move towards our final case, and this is the sixth case. So in this case we compare y minus 5 is equals to minus 25 and x minus 5 is equals to minus 1. So again we add these values and we get x plus y minus 10 equals minus 26, and we will get here x plus y equals to minus 26 plus 10, and we get here x plus y equals to minus 16. So this is the sixth value of x plus y, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.